This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the prerequisites, a Next.js app and a styling choice. Start by creating components/navbar, JSX, and exporting a functional component. Inside, build a semantic nav with a logo link and a UL for links. You do this so layout and accessibility are clear. Once done, import a CSS module or Tailwind classes for spacing and colors. Make sure to wrap links with next/link for client navigation. This gets your navbar mounted and styled for the next steps. Next, add real navigation and interactivity. You create an array of route objects and map them into link elements so you can easily add or remove pages. This keeps code DRY. For mobile, add a useState toggle and a button to switch classes. Once toggled, animate the menu with CSS transitions. Also wire keyboard handlers and area attributes so screen readers and keyboard users can open, close, and focus links. These choices improve UX and prevent common accessibility failures. To finish, integrate the navbar into your global layout. Place it in app.js or the new app/layout. JS so every page renders consistently. Ensure link hrefs match your file-based routing and confirm CSS selectors don't conflict with global styles. If things break, start with console logs and React dev tools to inspect state. Next, check for hydration mismatches in server-side rendering, and verify media queries and Tailwind build output. One key tip: if the menu
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.